place where we can go and be alone. So come away.
Good morning. So how is it?
The jacket?
Yeah.
It's good. Does fit.
What kind of jacket?
It's just a white jacket.
Okay.
But I need to put the name and.
Much better the black one.
Huh?
The black one is better.
I don't know why this time they choose white.
It's hard to wash.
In their job, we always wear black. I don't know.
Maybe this one for the
if
wedding.
It's just for the wedding, or later we can just also let us check.
Okay.
Check my plan.
Huh? Yeah. There. This plant, guys, it's like this. If they're thirsty, but when you give water, ano yan, lalago, tatayo. Another day.
The vlog.
Oops, sorry. What do you want to say?
I know, I cannot say. When you point the camera on me, I was about to say something about our holidays, or I had to stop.
Still a secret this.
Yeah, so
Okay,
stopping
so
me
you have to.
because I saw
You saw the recording.
While I was driving, something came to my mind, and I was like, now I tell you. But I cannot. I cannot.
Yeah, it's still a secret, so be careful. Okay, I'm going to take shower. Oh, alright, yeah, fam. Papunta na ako ng studio. Medyo late na ako ng 5 minutes, but it's okay kasi wala naman kaming fixed timing sa studio. Kaya anytime pwede kang pumunta, or yeah. Meron lang akong kailangan na i-modified na video, and then i-deliver ko yung hard disk ng client ko nearby the studio. And then medyo may free time na afterwards. And I think mamaya may dinner kami with Nancy's sister Sharon and cousin and the boyfriend of the cousin. Yan, mamaya yan. Mamayang dinner. I don't know, hindi pa kami nakapag-decide kung ano bang kakainin, but anyway, anything for me, it's okay. I'm not so choosy, you know. So guys, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung last vlog natin sa On the Blue, it's a very big swimming pool dito sa Italy, pero meron bang mas malaki. And it's 1 hour from our house, kaya nag-decide kami na pumunta doon. Kasi medyo malapit lang. Merong mas malayo ng konti, mas malaki. Pero next time, probably next summer. Or who knows, maybe one of these days. Kasi medyo libre na. Medyo open na yung schedule ko. So yan, nakapagsimula, nakapag-vlog na ulit tayo. Right. Yes. So medyo madilim yata, but I hope it's okay. Ito lang yung kasing pwesto na pwede ko lagyan ng camera. Hindi pa ako nakapag-set up dito sa bandang salamin para mas maganda yung view. Anyway, I just want to vlog, kaya that's okay. And also, nagpe-prepare kami for the vacation and also sa binyag ni Baby Noah. Kasi this September, inisip namin pabinyagan na siya bago mag-vacation. Para alam niyo na, bago mag-travel, it's better na na siya, na baptized na siya, na binyagan na siya. Yun, some believes, but we don't lose nothing if we believe, no? Okay. Punta na ako sa studio. As usual, medyo malayo ang pinagparkingan ko. But that's okay. Coffee break muna.
Siamo in diretta vlog, Cook.
Ciao.
C'è chi è in vacanza.
In vacanza.
La storia della colazione.
Wow.
Put my money in the jackpot, but I guess it's falling through. At least I still have you. Every day is a brand new day.
Siamo lunedì. Lunedì giusto? Lunedì sì. Perché?
Perché stai un patto.
Vacanza.
Faccio una mini vacanza, sì.
Va bene. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ok, ciao ciao. Uwi na. Nadaan pa pala ako sa aking isang kliyente para i-deliver yung hard disk na may mga photos nila. So, yan. And then susunduin ko si Dylan. Medyo late na ako kaya mamadaliin na ako. Andiamo sim sim. Andiamo sim sim. Dai, andiamo. Là c'è polizia, là c'è polizia. Ah? Corri, vai, corri, corri, corri. Ah? Non è la insetti. Insetti. Cilini. Allora. Cilini. Oh, guardi. Dai. Andiamo, qua. Hai mangiato? Ha? Che hai mangiato? Ha? Close, close, close. Andiamo. Dito ako nag-park sa baba kasi may silong. Hindi mainit para mamaya hindi mainit yung sasakyan. Yan. Etong baba na to, libre na siya guys. Ano siya, isang malaking garage siya. So wala na dyan na upa. So binabala kong gawing studio. Sarili kong studio. Pero let's see. Not sure pa. Pero yun ang isa sa mga project. Bye. Project. Spider. Bye. Vini. Piano. Lì c'è spider. Dentro c'è spider. Sì. È chiuso. No. Thank you. No, the wind. The wind.
Pasta in bianco. Ok, che facciamo? Cake. Facciamo, let's make one cake, me and Dylan.
Golden
Banana.
days
Facciamo
drifting far
banana cake.
away.
Banana bread.
Light is leaving town.
We need 3 banana. 1, 2, 3.
Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. Let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time away. So just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way. It's colder, but the day's not over yet.
E non c'è più dove abbiamo slashato. Vai piano piano,
Summer nights, watch them go by as we fight off the cold. Holding you tight, you know just what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment to go.
Adesso fai vedere dati, fai vedere dati.
Let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time. We'll wait, so just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way. It's colder, but the day's not over yet.
Have the cake. Where's your cake? Yes. Wow. Okay, banana.
E poi?
Poi?
La farina.
Farina. Poi? Chi aspettiamo? Zia? Sì. Oh, qui pizzeria. Wow, questo serve, questo mi piace.
Kept our
E lei?
photos, I
Io
just
faccio un vlog, va
them
bene?
away.
Ok.
So when I'm over you, I'll look
Ok.
and say, don't be sad that it's over, just be happy that
Right.
you got to hold somebody's heart, even if it wasn't for very long.
Dove vai?
I keep our
Piace?
memories in the back
Piace qua?
of my mind.
E va bene, vai nella mamma. Vai, qua, mamma vai, levi le scarpe.
When we didn't look too far in front of our own eyes, 'cause being young was something our parents told us would fly by. Well, we're not young
Sa
forever,
beach.
but when we were together, time slowed down.
Questa è mia.
We didn't have forever, but I didn't mind whenever you were.
Bella. Chi ha fatto le foto?
I guess I
Wow.
didn't know
Good
what
job.
I had found.
So guys, kilala nyo na yung pinsan ni Nancy, si Elena, and Andrea. Yan, ang mga pinsan nila na Nancy.
I left
And-
those thoughts with
and Dylan.
the man I left
Dylan,
behind.
pinsan.
So as I move on,
What's
I
that?
walk way time.
Pizza?
Think
Pizza
about
Rossa.
what could have been, but
Mama.
never really
Anch'io.
was. More than a flame that flickered in the night.
Kami sa beach. Wala nang araw guys.
We're not young
Pero we're still
forever, but when we were together,
dinner na.
time
Ay, kaya na muna. Kwentuhan.
And we didn't have forever, but I didn't mind whenever you were around. I guess I didn't know what I had found. Maybe I'm overthinking things, putting too much weight on all the shit we did. Oh, I know that it's over. I just never thought we'd end up like this, like this. Oh, I know that it's over, 'cause I'm different and you're colder. Well, we're not young forever, but when we were together, time slowed down.
Guarda un po'.
We didn't have forever, but I didn't mind whenever you were
Wi-Fi again.
around. I guess I didn't know what I had found. Then I let our love run out.
Let's go. Uwi na.